know. I've got to break the stream. I know that, yeah. Yeah, synced, yeah, break it, yeah. I know. I have to break it. I don't do video editing, so now I'm just going to chat all day and play games. Or I might do the code bit. I can't do the code bit. That'd be... No, yes I can. I'm going to set up my code. Okay, you go get some networking adventuring done. Good. You're putting a good lot of effort into that, and I think you're doing right. My thoughts on things may be or may not be valid. I never really know. There we go. Why can't you find that? Because that's wrong. / asterisk. Save. Configuring your intelligence settings to help find missing files headers. Source. Configure JSON. Configure UI. Don't show again. Okay. We'll have a don't show again. Let's have a look at main. There we go. I can find everything now. Good. So it knows that it can build it. But how's it going to build it? Well, we want to use the build directory here, and we're not going to cheat by leaving this lot in. Delete. Move to trash. Bye. So, right, we've got nothing in the build directory. Okay. New file. I'll call it build.sh. In build.sh, I'm going to put cd build. And then I'm going to use qmake to do to go up one level on the directory tree and make a qmake all the stuff that it tells it to qmake in the .pro there. So that's where the .pro is. It's up one directory, so qmake up one directory. And then all we have to do is whatever it produces, just make it. Done. Can't use that though, because Linux has security. So properties, permissions, is executable, click yes. Okay. Terminal, run build task. No build task to run found. Configure build task. Create task.json. Yeah. Don't want ms. Others will do. Label. Build. Blades. Type shell. Command. Is $ open brackets workspace folder close brackets / build.sh. Am I happy with that? I have no idea. Let's have a look through all of my back stuff here. I've got some programs here, haven't I? No, that's not going to work. Oh, this is awkward. I can never remember a good way of doing this. Let's have a look in here. Oh, I've got a programming club here. Oh, it's just got settings on it though. It's got nothing else. Twitch. So I'll look under Twitch. Got depths, network, server, temp server. Let's look under temp, nothing. Of course. Under test server. Ah, here we go. We've got build.sh. This is task JSONs. Okay. Alright, yes, I have forgotten something. Thought I might have done. Let's have a look. Let me just get that. Have I got it here? Alright. We're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. This is tasks.json. Let's just get this window off my screen. Don't need you anymore. Okay. Good. So what have we got? We have label type command. I don't like the way they've done this. There we go. That's better. Now I can see the levels properly. End of line. And I'm going to put in args in case we need them. That's you done. I'll need a comma. I'll need, oh god, end again. Comma. Okay. I also want my options, please. Which is that. And I'm going to have current working directory. And that's going to be $workspace folder. That'll do. That's got a comma. I also want a problem matcher. I'll just put you in there. I'll just have $GCC. See, autocomplete does most of it for me, which is good. That means we'll need a comma there. What's the difference between square bracket and another bracket? Is that the square bracket is inside this scope, and that is inside the options scope. Different scopes. That's basically it. Group. We will have a group, and I want a different scope for this, don't I? That. So kind is going to be build, and that should be in inverted commas. And I just noticed something about the way I've done this. That was quite stupid of me. Now finish it off and then I'll sort it all out. Is default true, please? There we go, that matches everything else now, doesn't it? Yeah, that's right. That's the last command, so there's no more commas. That's correct. Yes, I am happy with that. That is my kind of task. That task should work. Does it work? Let's have a look. It ran. Blades. Yeah, there's blades. CD into build. And blades. Yep, welcome to Blades, and then we have to crash it. That's it. Lovely. That works. And now we just need to find a DBG. DBG, we do have DBG, don't we? Before I do this, DBG. No idea. Okay. Fine. Okay, this is going to be fun. So here we can run programs, but there's nothing coming up. So we want to create a launch.json file. That's the first thing we want. C++. Here we go. So this will be, name it, debug blades. Type cpp dbg, yes. Request launch, yes. Program. $workspace folder. Build. Blades. That's what we're debugging. That's the program. Args, okay, stop at entry false, that's fine. In other words, it doesn't automatically stop it, and then we can decide where we want to place things. But I'll have it as false for now. Current working directory, I like. Environment, I like. External console, I want as true. I prefer an external console. GDB, yes. Setup commands, description, blah de blah, blah de blah de blah de blah. You got your final doobry, comma. I'll add the following: a pre-launch task, which is, guess what, build, B-U-I-L-D, and we called it build blades, didn't we? Yeah. It has to match that there. Build blades. Build blades, because that's what it searches for. I want a comma, because I want another thing here. The MI debugger. Is user bin GDB, yes. That's correct. That'll do. I think it's user bin GDB, I hope it is, otherwise we're stuffed. So now, I should be able to press that little green thing and start debugging. What's it doing? Well, it's doing something. Okay. Let's get rid of this lot for starters, to make sure everything works. Open main, make sure it's got something to debug. And debug blades. Alright, has it come up with anything on screen? No. So what's it doing? There's nothing coming up. Okay, external console faults. For a minute, I want to know what's going on. It's not making one, I can tell you that much. There we go. Yeah, it's worked. So we're having problems with an external console. Wonder which console it uses. Okay. So it works internally on the terminal. Alright, I'm going to leave it at false for now then, until I can think of what that may be that's stopping it from opening an external terminal. Seems to be okay opening terminals here. One second. It might be this, because we've not got a complete thing. Let's see if that can now open an external terminal. I think that's right. Let me just make sure I've got the command right. External console. External console. True. Wonder if it's conflicting with the fact that I've asked it to be an external console. Not sure. Those are warnings. So? Not sure about this. Alright, we're just going to have to use it without an external console. For now. Until things get updated so that I can. Or somebody tells me how to do it. Alright, so it'll work now. There you go. That's working, I'm happy. Fantastic. Right, so we now have programmed our text editor. That's basically it. That's the programming done. We just wanted properties, launch, and task. And all the variables in there. If you're on Microsoft, you just fill in the variables differently, that's all. And your paths and things. So we've now got a build directory that works. In here, I want to keep those. Yes. Yeah. We can revert that. Discard changes. Okay. And I think that's everything. So, first build in MS Code. There we go. That's everything done. Now you know how it's done. I'll segment this off as well, and we'll put it up as a video, I think, because that was a little bit more intricate than I expected it to be. Plus, I came across a problem which you might know more about than me. Ta-da! Done. How pretty. So let's just segment that off. Stop the stream.